This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about how to restrict who can see the shared folders in your Google Drive account. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. This is my personal account, but my work account looks very similar. I have all these folders that have my files organized, as well as individual files that might be showing up here. And the question I got from a reader was, how do I give access only to certain folders and not others so I can protect my files from a new colleague at work? It's a great question. It comes up all the time, and it's something that I've dealt with myself. And the quick answer is you can set sharing permissions on each one of the folders in your Google Drive account. All you need to do, for instance, if I wanted to share 2012 real estate with somebody, I could right-click over it, click share, and then I could type in the name of the other people that I want to share it with. All right, so let's say I want to share it with this other guy. This is actually me. I could just do that, and then I could add other people to the shared account as well, and then send it. It would be shared with them. The issue that comes up with that is, what if you have too many folders that you want to share, and it's really a pain in the neck. Like I might have 20 or 30 or 40 or 50 folders here, plus individual files that I want to share. How can I, what's a more efficient way of doing that? And the easy answer to that question is you can start basically putting folders into another folder. So let's say I wanted to take this folder, 2012 real estate. I could drop it into, let's say, my blogging folder. Just put it in there. You can see it disappeared. So now it's a subfolder of blogging. And then what I could do is I could just share blogging. Okay, so and then I could drag even more folders into the blogging master folder and then share that one and not share the rest of them. So that's kind of the best way, I think the most efficient way to do it. And of course, the one of the greatest things about doing it that way is once, let's say that colleague leaves later on, leaves the company, and you want to make sure that they don't have any access to it, what you could do is just reset the sharing permissions on that particular folder so that person doesn't have access anymore, and then they will lose access to all the other folders that you dropped in there. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also, I've written a book about Google Drive. It's called Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It covers Docs, Drive, Sheets, Slides, Forms, sites, and other tools that you can use to get the most out of the Google application suite. This is Ian Lamont, the author, signing off. Thank you so much for watching.